When You Are Old by William Butler Yeats imagines a woman in old age, reflecting on those who loved her for her inner beauty, not just her physical appearance. The speaker reveals that his love for her was deep and lasting, unlike others who admired her youth. The poem emphasizes the enduring nature of true love beyond external beauty. From a moral philosophical perspective, When You Are Old challenges me to think about the nature of love and how it aligns with deeper virtues like loyalty, constancy, and sincerity. The speaker in the poem emphasizes a love that is not shallow or dependent on temporary qualities, but rather on a deeper connection that transcends time. This type of love requires moral integrity and a commitment to the well-being of the other person, beyond mere physical attraction. Yet seems to suggest that true love is selfless, enduring, and rooted in a deep appreciation for the person's soul. This analysis reminds me that love at its best is based on qualities that go beyond the surface and is tied to the virtues that define our character. I reflect on how love can be both deeply personal and timeless. The poem speaks about a love that is not based on physical appearance or attraction, but on a deeper connection that remains even as we age. It makes me think about how, as we grow older, the things that truly matter become clearer. Love, memories, and relationships that stand the test of time. Yeats' words remind me to cherish meaningful relationships now, as they are the ones that will matter most when time passes and youth fades away.